Non-formal learning refers to planned educational activities that happen outside of the school curriculum. Often, non-formal learning does not involve classes or grade giving, but is a planned process with clear learning objectives and focuses more on skills and knowledge.
So ngayon naririto ako sa inyong harapan upang magbahagi ng kaunting kaalaman sa pag-uwit ng still life. But it's not only about drawing. Siyempre, isasama natin yung pag-apply ng mga skills natin and also sa pagtutulungan ng bawat isang umutad. So narito ako at kayo para mag-share ng knowledge at matuto by each other. So simulan natin sa pag-uwit ng still life. So first, we need to analyze yung light source niya. Kung saan ba nanggagaling yung light and saan ba natin lalagyan ng dark. So for now, let's have an apple as a source reference. Once na nalaman natin yung mga light source and shadows, tsaka proportions niya, try natin mag-sketch muna ng apple. Then, shading, we can use hatching and cross-hatching para mas mapadali yung shading process. So, after nyo mag-sketch up, try nyo na mag-hatching and cross-hatching.
Yung kit na gagawa nyong cross-hatching and hatching?
So, sa hatching, isang lines lang, while sa cross-hatching naman is pa-cross. Kapag mas dinikitan mo yung mga lines, mas dark yung magiging.
Paano yun? Hindi ako marunong mag-drawing eh.
Okay lang yan. Nandito naman tayo para hindi naman mahalaga kung marunong o hindi. Ang mahalaga is mapupulot yung lessons and ma-apply sa iba pang susunod na drawing activities. Practice make it perfect. And when you ask artists, they also start sa mga stick figures. So, you just need to trust yourself and trust the process. We know you can do it. Now, try mo ulit.
Non-formal education is a room for improvement. It's not about being pressured or being judged for what you're doing. It's about enhancing your skill with others and yourself regarding the activities that you want to do or participate in.
Makagawa tayo ng kumbaga may lesson. Normal lang yan eh.
Non-formal education is also a process where teamwork is present. They help each other to learn, gain, and share knowledge, to improve themselves and support others in their learning process.
Ano na-feel nyo or natutunan nyo during the activity?
Ako, nahirapan ako kasi hindi ko siya gamay or what. Pero naging masaya ako kasi natutunan niyo.
Nakaka-proud. Tinan niyo yung gawa ko ang ganda. Pili ko kaya ako tumigil kaya gawa ng lapis ko napudpud na. Pero ganda ng gawa mo, diba? Ganda niya.
Okay na, nakaka-excite kasi simula ng bata ako, naisip ko naman mag-drawing. Pero ngayon, nagawa ko siya sa tulong ng Sino ba?
In our conclusion, non-formal education is planned for educational activities that happen outside of the school curriculum. It's for people of any age. It may be short in duration and or low intensity. And it's typically provided in the form of workshops or seminars like art, music, dance, sports, and more. And let everyone explore more about their interests and passions. Non-formal, let everyone learn at their own pace without being pressured and receiving judgment. But instead, everyone help each other to improve, to help themselves, to learn and discover new things. By engaging in a group, volunteering, playing, learning, and overcoming challenges, together, individuals who participate in NFE are naturally building their character and developing values that help them find self-fulfillment and develop into more cooperative and rise confidently.